In an age where energy independence and sustainability are increasingly at the forefront of societal concerns, the prospect of harnessing solar energy has never been more appealing. With rising utility bills and a growing awareness of environmental issues, many homeowners are seeking innovative solutions that not only reduce costs, but also contribute to a greener planet. Enter DIY solar panel kits, a transformative option that empowers individuals to take control of their energy consumption while embracing the benefits of renewable resources. Imagine stepping outside on a bright sunny day, feeling the warmth of the sun on your skin, and knowing that the very energy radiating down from the sky is being captured and converted into electricity for your home. This is not just a dream. It's a reality that can be achieved with the right tools and a bit of determination. DIY solar panel kits have emerged as a user-friendly solution that allows homeowners to install their own solar systems, making renewable energy accessible to everyone, regardless of technical expertise. One of the most compelling reasons to consider a DIY solar panel kit is the potential for significant cost savings. Traditional solar panel installations can be prohibitively expensive, often requiring thousands of dollars in upfront costs. However, with a DIY kit, homeowners can drastically reduce these expenses. By purchasing the necessary components and assembling them independently, you can avoid hefty labor fees associated with professional installation. This not only makes solar energy more affordable, but also allows you to invest in additional panels or upgrades, maximizing your system's efficiency and output. Moreover, the satisfaction of completing a DIY project is unparalleled. There's a unique sense of accomplishment that comes from taking a hands-on approach to your energy needs. With a DIY solar panel kit, you're not just a consumer. You become an active participant in the transition to renewable energy. This empowerment fosters a deeper connection to your home and your energy consumption, as you witness firsthand the impact of your efforts. Every time you flip a switch and see the lights turn on, you can take pride in knowing that you played a vital role in harnessing that energy. The process of installing solar panels may seem daunting, but DIY kits are designed with user-friendliness in mind. Many companies provide comprehensive guides and instructional videos that walk you through each step of the installation process, ensuring that even those with minimal technical skills can successfully set up their systems. From understanding the components, such as solar panels, inverters, and batteries, to learning about the best practices for placement and orientation, these new resources demystify the entire process. Additionally, many kits come with pre-assembled components, reducing the complexity and time required for installation. Beyond the immediate financial and personal benefits, DIY solar panel kits contribute to a larger movement towards sustainability. By installing solar panels, you are reducing your reliance on fossil fuels and decreasing your carbon footprint. This shift not only benefits your household, but also contributes to a cleaner environment for future generations. The more people who adopt solar energy, the greater the collective impact on reducing greenhouse gas emissions and combating climate change. As a DIY solar enthusiast, you become part of a community of like-minded individuals who are committed to making a difference. Another significant advantage of DIY solar panel kits is their adaptability. Every home is unique, and so are its energy needs. With a DIY approach, you have the flexibility to customize your solar system, according to your specific requirements. Whether you want to power your entire home, supplement your energy usage, or provide power to a workshop or shed, you can tailor your installation to meet your needs. This level of customization ensures that you make the most of your investment, as you can scale your system up or down based on your energy consumption patterns. Furthermore, the technological advancements in solar energy have made it easier than ever to monitor and optimize your system's performance. Many DIY solar kits include smart technology that allows you to track energy production and consumption through mobile apps. This real-time data empowers you to make informed decisions about your energy usage, helping you identify patterns and adjust your habits to maximize efficiency. The ability to monitor your solar energy production not only enhances your understanding of your system, but also allows you to celebrate your achievements as you see your energy savings grow. While some may worry about the maintenance of a DIY solar system, the reality is that solar panels are designed to be durable and low maintenance. Most panels come with warranties that last for decades, and routine upkeep typically involves little more than occasional cleaning to remove dirt or debris. This means that once your system is installed, you can enjoy the benefits of solar energy with minimal, ongoing effort. The peace of mind that comes from knowing you have a reliable source of energy, coupled with the financial savings, makes the investment in a DIY solar panel kit even more worthwhile. As you consider the prospect of installing solar panels, it's essential to research and choose a reputable DIY solar kit that meets your needs. Look for kits that offer quality components, comprehensive support, and positive reviews from other users. Engaging with online communities and forums can provide valuable insights and tips from those who have already embarked on their solar journey. In conclusion, DIY solar panel kits represent a remarkable opportunity for homeowners to embrace renewable energy, reduce their carbon footprint, and achieve energy independence. With the potential for significant cost savings, a sense of accomplishment, and the flexibility to customize your system, there has never been a better time to consider solar energy for your home. By taking the initiative to install your own solar panels, you not only invest in your future, but also contribute to a sustainable world for generations to come. So why wait? The sun is shining and the power is in your hands. This program is proudly brought to you by Ecopoly.life as part of the Korban Conscious Learning Initiative. Become a member of Ecopoly.life today to continue learning, gain access to our in-depth video book, and discover practical ways to reduce your carbon footprint. Learn how to do it yourself, post your progress to earn carbon credits, and experience the transformation as you play. Let's join hands for a greener future. Invite your family and friends, share this opportunity, and help build a healthier environment for everyone.